Hi there, folks. My name is Dave, and I'm here to do a review of Superhairpieces M101 hair system, which I'm wearing right now. This is the medium light brown with 40% gray. I'm 60 years old, and I just started wearing a hair system recently. I've been dealing with Superhairpieces, and I've been finding their product and their service is exceptional. I'm kind of a private person, like I suspect many of you are, but I've really valued the reviews and the videos that folks have posted online on YouTube, so I thought I would express my gratitude to them by sharing my experience with you, which is a very positive one. If you're thinking of getting a hair system, I highly recommend it. And I also highly recommend you do your research ahead of time. You can install these systems by yourself. You certainly would benefit by having a hairdresser cut the system in. I've got a hairdresser now after all of these years. I shaved my head bald for many years, and I think I looked all right. This hasn't changed my life or made any great existential difference, but I thought I'd change my look around, and you know something, I like it. So as I mentioned, it's affordable. The systems last apparently about 6 to 8 months. That seems to be consistently what I'm hearing. They're about $300 each, so you figure it. The systems are around $600 for a year. Not a lot of money. There's products that you buy along with it that last rather a long time. And hey, if you haven't had hair in a while, indulge yourself. You expect that you may be purchasing hair products again for the first time, so why not go for it? If there are things that you're concerned about, what are people going to think? How are people going to react to the system? Well, the reality is most people aren't going to have any reaction at all or not say anything. And who knows what other people think anyway, and frankly, who cares? You do it for yourself, and I know that sounds trite, but that's reality. So anyway, it's not something that you should be inordinately concerned about. I mentioned that the systems are rather easy to install yourself. I cut the base myself, following instructions on the video. Very simple to install. I get my wife to assist me every once in a while, but for the most part, I can do it myself. I wear mine for around 3 or 4 days. You can get systems that you wear for much longer than that, but I just find that's convenient for me. It gives my head a little bit of a rest. This M101, I gotta tell you, it is so light, and the hair is nice. It's fine. It's really age appropriate, for lack of a better term. So I like it. It's very comfortable, and I highly recommend it. If you're thinking about a hair system, it's not going to change your life. I'm sure you're just fine, just the way you are. But you know something? It's going to spice it up a little bit. So why not? So I hope that you've gained a little bit from what I'm telling you if you're looking for encouragement, and I do encourage you. So once again, I wish you success in whatever your choice is, but if you do get a hair system, you won't regret it. You're going to like it.